welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to my local VONS because I'm gonna shop the sales. There's some good stuff in here, so let's see what I get. We got Jonas. Woo -woo. Look at all that toilet paper. That's awesome. What? Okay, so this haul is not as huge. We were shopping the sales and I got what I needed, but except for one thing, they had London broil advertised for under $2.50, which is a great price, and they didn't have any. Whatever. Okay, so because Jonas came with me, I let him pick a treat. So I will show you that first and then start unloading the bags. And he picked Hi-Chews. Woo! These ones, Hi-Chew. So he is liking these, and every time he goes shopping with me, we have to compare our heights. Do you want to compare our heights? He did take off his shoes, so.
Whoa, my hair is messy.
Here, I'll move over.
Back to back.
There. Who's taller?
Jonas might.
Jonas made me taller. That kid's growing so fast, so he deserves it. Okay, so he helped me out with the calculator, and he was only off by a couple dollars, so yeah, that's all right. I told him he was fired, but then, I was just kidding. So the first thing I got was this gluten-free pizza for Paul. So this will be a very easy dinner for him one night, and I am a fan of this brand for freezer pizza, Frischetta. Frischetta? Yes. And so I do like their pizzas, and so I'm hoping that this gluten-free pizza will be a winner as well. I picked up some potatoes. One of our favorite things to have is baked potatoes with a broccoli cheese soup. Add a little bit of cooked chicken in there and put it on top. Now, I make my own cream of chicken soup. But you could just probably use cream of chicken soup from the can and make it like that. So good. These corn tortillas were buy one, get one free. So they were $2.69 or something like that for both. So yeah, I thought that was okay. So I'm going to put one in the freezer and keep one in the fridge. And they, at our VONS, they have Cosmic Crisp. Yes. Cosmic Crisp apples, which I believe is a hybrid of the Honey Crisp, and made in where, Oregon, Paul? Washington. He was reading on the little box. So let's keep going. So we didn't have any tortilla chips, so I had to remedy that. I got these 3 bags for $5, and these are just good to have. Everybody in our house loves tortilla chips, and I love making taco soup and crunching them and putting them in the bowl and then putting the soup on top. So good and so filling. We had to pick up some more sodas. So these are the ones that were on sale. They are $1.97 each, but you had to buy 3. So these ones are going to be for Mom and Dad, and these ones were 2 for $6, so they're the store brand. And so we said, Jonas, pick the ones you're going to drink, because that kid's the one who likes to drink. And so he can only have one a day, so he'll get to pick. This one's like a diet, a Coke Zero copycat, and then a Diet Coke copycat. So good. I'm sure it'll be just fine. And then these were on sale, 3. You had to get 3. They're $1.87 each, so we will put those in our pantry, in our back pantry. Just good to stock up on, especially when cereal is on a good sale. And I picked up some more toilet paper. Did you see how much toilet paper was at my VONS? Wow. So $4.99 for that package of toilet paper. Great price, and it's decent. So we'll put that also in our storage, and let's keep going. So I picked up a case of water bottles. They're probably a little bit more expensive at VONS. So they're about $3.50 for 32. Yes, for 32. I also picked up a loaf of wheat bread from Grandma Sycamore because that is Ezra's favorite. And I can tell when he's missing it and he wishes he could have it for breakfast. So I actually have plenty of white bread, but he prefers the wheat. So he gets it. Let's see. I just picked up some freezer bags. We're running out. And I picked up Paul's favorite granola bars. These are gluten-free. And so he could take one of these with his lunch. It makes it a nice little snack. But the kids know that these are just for Paul because there's only 5 in here. Another thing that Jonas got to pick out, he saw these little baked mac and cheeses. And look, it has the Crispies on top. And these were on sale for $1.97. So whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I get a couple of mac and cheeses as well. And they're really good. And I think they're like $3 each. So these ones are only $2. So let me know down below if you ever had them and what your review is. These look pretty dang good. The only thing is that they're kind of small. And Jonas also picked out some Philly cheesesteak Hot Pockets. Ew, but that's okay. He likes them. They're a good snack or maybe even a good lunch for him, among other things like some apples or something. But it is perfect. He likes them. And look, there's some vegetables, maybe dehydrated. Ew. And then, of course, Ezra got some, picked up some chocolate chip waffles. He's a fan. And also his brothers as well. So we'll see if we can get him 1 or 2 days out of that. And I picked up some fresh chicken. So this is the reason why we went. These were on sale for 99 cents a pound, you guys. So normally I can get them on sale for about $1.99 a pound, which is still a good price. Half that. So I got about 7 pounds for $7. Perfect. So I put these into the freezer and like just keep them on hand. And as you can see right here, I actually have some chicken in there cooking. It's late at night. I'm about to go to bed and I'm about to take care of that as well. So my thought process is to just have a couple of packs of cooked chicken ready to go so that whenever I'm like, what am I making for dinner tonight? Ta-da! Something's done and cooked, and all I have to do is either add some sides or even just add it to some enchiladas or something like that. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna see if I can keep this up because it just seems like it makes perfect sense to me. I also picked up Paul some of these beef jerkies, and he likes to actually take one of these with those granola bars with his lunch. So that's good, although very pricey. However, that's okay. And the last thing that I picked up was some broccoli. This one is the organic broccoli. So of course, our favorite way to cook it is to broil it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Just a little olive oil, or just I use like an olive oil spray, some salt and pepper, and then when it's done, I bring it out. It's gonna have like some blackened edges and stuff. Just kind of a little bit of lemon juice tossed in that. It is so good and so good for you. So there it is, you guys. We have a little bit of a grocery haul. I spent about $91. And pretty soon I'm going to be doing my Walmart stock up. So we'll see. I have a bigger list. We'll see how much stuff I can get on that list. So thanks so much for sticking around. Give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.